everybody, I'm Jason and you're watching Fix a Lawn, and this is the channel where we don't necessarily make the yard in first place yard of the month, but I'm hoping to get them out of last place. And today's lady, she needed some help. I've got my friend Paul. Paul came over from Georgia, and we both had a lawn care business. We're still very involved in lawn care business, but sometimes we go out and try helping people out to mow their lawn. This particular lady has 4 Chihuahuas in her house, and they bark a lot, okay? Maybe you don't hear them too much on the video, but she needed some help. She wanted some limbs cut back so she could see down the street. The yard's a little overgrown, and it's just a situation where she needed some help getting this lawn back in shape. So let's get started, let's get to work. All right, so let's take a look at the lawn. It's not, too overgrown, and Paul's helping me. Paul, if you can check out a version of this yard on Paul's channel, Paul Jamison Lawn Transformation, so I can put a link to his channel in the description below. But she wanted these limbs cut back, so I brought a pole saw to do that because she wants to be able to see down the street. And then of course the grass, it's a lot of wild violet, honestly, and I run a weed control and fertilization company, but I'm not worried about that for today. We're just trying to get the yard cut, and of course you need to watch out for this extension cord. I'm just showing you what it looks like before we get started. Looks like somebody did make one swipe with a lawnmower right there, possibly.
You need to do some laundry, Jason?
We do have a washing machine.
No dryer, but a washer.
So anyway, this one actually should go pretty fast because there's no real edging involved as far as a sidewalk or driveway. Well, actually I take that back. There might be let me see if there's a sidewalk. Yeah, there is a little sidewalk in the front yard. We're gonna put an edge on. So anyway, let's get started. I want to show the yard, enjoy the work, and then stay to the end to see the finished product. This lady had a special request to cut down some of these tree branches that she's not able to see down the street like she likes to. So I've got a pole saw brought with me, a battery powered pole saw, And got it put together here. Let's see if it's ready to work. All right, ready to go. I think the idea is she wants to be able to sit right here. She's got 4 Chihuahuas and she wants to be able to see down the street. So now as you look that way, I think it's going to be much improved over what it was. The good thing is the city will haul off the branches.
Oh, wow, that's a lot better.
All I got to do is put them on the street and the city will haul it off. But yeah, she's got a view down the street and that's what she wanted. And this thing's awesome. If you got a new blade on it, it just boom right through it. So. Thanks for watching the video. If you hadn't done so, please subscribe to the channel. This is a brand new channel. I've actually been on YouTube for over 11 years now, but this channel is brand new. So I appreciate your support by sharing it, liking it, subscribing it, notification bell, whatever you do to YouTube videos. We'll see you guys in the next video.